Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you a very quick and easy DIY lotion bar recipe. Today all I'm using is 100% pure mango butter, beeswax, avocado oil, and doTERRA lavender essential oil. The mango butter is interchangeable with things like cocoa butter or even shea butter, so my preference just happens to be mango butter. All I'm doing is taking 4 tablespoons of mango butter, and I'll be taking 2 tablespoons of avocado oil. You can also use something like olive oil, almond oil, whatever oil you select is really your preference. Some oils are heavier than other oils. For instance, olive oil is a much heavier oil than, let's say, almond oil. So depending on the oil that you select, it will kind of determine the thickness and richness of the lotion bar. And then finally, I'm going to be getting some beeswax, and I'm going to be putting in 2 tablespoons of beeswax. Now I'm just creating a mock double boiler, so I just got a pan with some water. This is how it's going to look like when you first get started, and you're just going to want to keep stirring until it becomes a complete liquid. Now I'm just going to set it aside to cool for a few minutes so then I can add in my essential oils. So I just did 7 drops of lavender essential oils. You can really do any oil that you want. I just happen to love lavender. And then I will be adding the mixture to the silicone molds. I really suggest using a silicone mold because this will make taking out the lotion bar so much easier once it's been solidified in the freezer. Which brings me to my final step, which is putting the silicone mold with the mixture in the freezer for about an hour to an hour and a half. Once the mixture has solidified, it will look like this. I really love lotion bars because they are so easy to make and they are excellent for travel. They also make a really great shaving bar too. If you guys like this video and want to see more DIYs on my channel, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more natural content like this. Thanks guys, bye.